All right. Then no. Okay, ready is good. All right, let's go.
On course.
Let's not go.
Sad I missed that. That's so funny.
That idea, Pat?
Thank you, Patrice.
You gotta get a video of that. That's good.
Well, I got a picture of it. I'll video somebody coming down.
Yeah, big turn.
Hey. Hey. Oh no! My servo, the rear servo is acting up.
Drowning out?
It's very slow. Was moving very slow. That's what happens when you're about to die.
Come over. Good.
Get down here in driver's stance, Joe. I'll get you in the shot.
Getting that money shot?
Yeah, I'm trying to get your face in it. For your profile picture.
Pick it up.
But you're not pro stanced enough. 5 minutes.
I'm so mad I put that in my chest.
I know, that was so
All I have to do
the
is bump
belly.
it up too. Finish that. One is good. Yeah, I just had to break it.
Fuck, I have no rear steer.
But, and I noticed when you were struggling.
No.
I knew Oh, it's really slow.
Yeah.
That's rough.
And it wakes up.
Just to be all the way through.
Yeah, I'm good. That part is okay. I'm a bit worried about the servo.
One more. You're through.
Thank you.
2 is good. Reverse.
No.
No?
No
Oh,
reverse.
sorry. Underside of the tire got caught. Look it out. Yeah. That's very nice. Good job.
Wow, good job coming
3.
out of there.
Watch the bonus or boundary.
Fucking steering. Come on, work with me, buddy.
1 minute.
Reverse. Son of a bitch.
Let's go on the course.
No swearing on the course.
You can swear in the course.
Damn.
It's allowed.
I'm done.
You're a sailor.
I'm done.
Just made that one up.
What the fuck was that?
Reverse. Fucking
The rear steer? Wow.
Yeah, I cannot control it.
Is it direct or is it back?
It's direct.
I have one of those.
No, I have them in my bag.
Okay.
Come on, just steer, man. Thank you.
So slow. Okay.
3 minutes.
No, but I really need rear steer for what I want to do here. Work with me, buddy. Just work with me.
Yeah, that's what I tried. Got this. Yeah. Nice work.
Very nice.
Well done.
Very great job. 2:30.
Stop time, please.
Stop time.
How much time? 2:30? Well,
2:32.
2:25 now. Okay.
2:32.
All right, let's go. Come on.
It'll show up. It'll be late.
It's like it's a French servo.
Stay like that, just arrived.
Good save. Good save. Good.
Get out, get out. Biting your heels, buddy. Sorry, Brian.
Just 12 penalty.
Maybe get 1 point in time, maybe.
Ah, yeah, now I need the servo. Yeah, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. Thank you. Oh, a little bit more. I need a little bit more.
Come on.
I need a little bit more than that.
Time, big time. 111.
Reverse. Thank you, Servo, for showing up to the party.
Good. 1 minute.
Filha da puta, endireita, filha da puta do caralho, tá foda. Foda-se.
Finish 70 or 80 on it. All right, less than 1 minute. Same time, same time. 40 seconds.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Just come back home. Okay. 22 penalty. How many times? Gone? 20 seconds.
How much points?
15 seconds. You have one more gate to stay. You want me to go to the right? Solid, Anthony.
Foda-se. Caralho. Ah.
Good try.
Try, buddy.
Hell yeah. Great try, baby.